Well, hello again. I'm going to proceed to telling you about today's class, and we'll start with the revision of defining relative clauses. Um, Remember, we saw that we have who, which, or where for uniting two parts, two halves of the sentence, two phrases actually, and we have where, which is related to place. When the place, where the thing about where is that it has to be a what we call a complemento circunstancial. So it has to indicate the place. Then you have for persons, people you have who, and for things you have which, right? And this is kind of interesting. And so remember, you can work on it, and you can do the homework in the workbook. Però fer les pàgines de color, aquelles que són de color gris. Val? Veureu que hi ha qualcuna que és un poc difícil. Penseu que el where sempre ha de fer la funció de complement circunstancial. Explicar a on. Explicar dónde. Es lo que tiene que hacer. Explicar dónde suceden las cosas. Si no funciona como otro elemento de la oración. Okay? So in that case it will be which. Okay, paraphrasing. This is very interesting for speaking. Paraphrasing means that you say something, you define an object or a person or whatever, but not using that word. So using techniques. We did this exercise, and this is so maybe you can try to do it at home. And you have to put these words into the gaps. So, for example, number one, you can start the video and then go on later on. Okay, it's somebody who shows you around a city or a museum. Somebody who shows you around. Two, it's something which we used to pay instead of cash. It's somewhere where people go when they want to send a parcel or a letter. It's a kind of fruit. It's long and yellow. It's the opposite of expensive. It's like a sweater, but it has buttons. It's similar to a wallet, but it's for a woman. It's a verb. For example, you do this to the TV when you're finished watching something. These 8 expressions can help you define something. I always use this example. How do you say mandolina in English? Or clavicordio? You don't know. And you don't know the word in English unless you look up in the dictionary. But what you can do is paraphrase. A clavichord is similar to a piano. It's a kind of piano. It's something you use to play music. It sounds like a piano. Okay? So these are expressions that will help you describe a thing in case you don't know the vocabulary for it. Somebody for people, something for things, somewhere for places. Kind is un tipo de. The opposite. I think this is very clear. It's like, como, it's similar to, for example. Okay? We need a lot of practice on this, so you can practice with exercises the ND. Okay. And also we did a series of exercises here. We saw the first listening. I think I'll keep this area for next day because we'll see how it works, how the whole unit works. So I'll make a video next week on it. Okay. Well, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you and hearing from you. Bye bye.